5 bedtime drinks that can help you lose weight. People are constantly struggling with excess weight. In fact, the National Institute of Health states that 75% of Americans are overweight. What's even more disturbing is that they also state that 33% of those people are obese. Obesity and certain conditions such as insomnia and other sleep disorders have a connection with excess weight. According to scientists at the University of Chicago, when you are deprived of sleep, it can impair your metabolism and disrupt your hormone levels. Now keep watching for top bedtime drinks that will help you get rid of excess weight. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 5. Kefir. Men's Health states that kefir helps increase the levels of healthy bacteria in the gut, which increases proper digestion and helps absorb minerals and vitamins more effectively. In addition, research found in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that kefir helps improve sleep. Improved sleep helps you feel more refreshed in the morning and can also minimize the effects of stress. With more energy throughout the day, you'll be less likely to succumb to the urge of snacking or indulging in less healthy treats. You'll also have more energy to exercise. Number 4. Apple Psyllium drink. According to the Daily Health Post, the apples in this drink limit the absorption of fat from the gut and also make it easier for your body to break down the fats into fatty acids. In addition, a 2003 study published in PubMed shows that consuming 3 apples a day contributes to weight loss. The Daily Health Post states that when the body consumes psyllium, it expands to form a gel-like mass by drawing water from the colon. This helps move waste from the colon more quickly. To make this drink, all you need is 1 apple, 1 cup of cold water, 2 teaspoons of 100% psyllium husk powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. To make this drink, cut up the apple with the skin on it and blend it with the water until it's smooth. Then pour the mixture into a large cup and stir the psyllium and the cinnamon powder with it. Drink it immediately after mixing is complete. Number 3. Grape Juice. Grape juice contains insulin, and according to research that's published in Cell Reports, insulin has the ability to regulate the body's circadian rhythms. In addition, a study found in 2015 International Journal of Obesity found that resveratrol, which is an antioxidant found in grapes, actually converts calorie-storing white fat into calorie-burning brown fat. Number 2. Milk. According to Men's Health, cold or warm can help you sleep more soundly because it contains high levels of calcium and tryptophan. Also, one way to get rid of excess fat is to turn it into muscle. According to research from Medicine and Science in Sports Exercise, milk's casein protein is slow digesting, so it can help build muscle overnight. According to research from Birmingham University, soy protein can help improve sleep by inducing melatonin. Also, the tryptophan found in this beverage can help decrease cortisol levels, which will help fight belly fat. Speaking of milk, have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink a glass of milk every day? Well, keep watching, because after we tell you about the 5 bedtime drinks that can help you lose weight, we'll tell you about the health benefits of milk. Number 1. Cherry Aloe Vera drink. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, tart cherry juice produces significant reductions of insomnia. Another study found in the European Journal of Nutrition explains that tart cherry juice can increase melatonin levels, which will help improve sleep quality. Aloe vera gel contains powerful vitamins, enzymes, saponins, linin, and minerals that can help with weight loss according to Daily Health Post. Remember, losing weight comes from a combination of healthy eating and an active lifestyle. If you change your diet and cut out sugary, calorie-heavy foods, and also start exercising more, you can lose weight and start improving your overall health. That being said, you don't have to cut out all of your favorite foods completely. Everything in moderation. You can have that slice of cake, but don't overdo it. Dieting can take a huge toll on someone's mental well-being, and if it's not done the right way, it can lead to binging or even just giving up. If you are interested in losing weight but aren't sure how to go about doing it or getting started, it may be a good idea to seek advice from a medical health professional, dietitian, physical trainer, or nutritionist. Now that you know what drinks you should consume before bed to help you lose weight, here's what happens to your body when you drink milk every day. Most babies start their lives out getting their nutrition from the milk their mother provides. Then, as you grow, you are continued to be told to drink your milk in order to grow big and strong. Milk is rich in calcium, so many people include it and other dairy products in their daily lives. But what actually happens when we drink milk? Are we supposed to keep drinking milk into adulthood, or is it something only meant for babies or calves? There have been several studies done on the importance of milk, including one by the Harvard University and Dairy Education Board. There are also some people who believe that drinking milk regularly is good for the body and think that dairy is important, and there are others who think that milk is a deadly poison. There's even an entire website dedicated to anti-milk called notmilk.com, which features tons of articles pointing out the supposed evils of milk. However, there are still facts pointing towards milk and dairy products being beneficial to our health. Milk can help you lose weight. Nutritionist Alan Aragon, MS, finds that people can still thrive on milk, whether it be build muscle or lose fat. In an article he wrote for Men's Health magazine, he points out some of the facts and theories that cause certain people to cut milk out of their diets. One claim suggests that milk from cows has cancer-causing hormones. After going through research on anti-milk claims as well as being aware of the pro-milk propaganda, he's come up with a few answers about the regular consumption of the beverage. He points out that in a 6-month study conducted at the University of Tennessee, the research found that overweight people who drank 3 servings of milk a day lost more belly fat than people who followed a similar diet but didn't drink as much milk. Research also found that calcium supplements don't work as well as drinking milk. This is because there are other compounds in milk and other dairy products that can better assist with burning fat. Though this has to be paired with a good diet. Drinking a bunch of milk and eating junk food will most likely not result in a healthy weight loss. Milk helps build muscle. Milk is also good for building muscle, according to Aragon. In fact, milk is one of the best muscle foods on the planet, he writes. The protein in milk is 20% whey and 80% casein. Whey is a fast-digesting protein that quickly breaks down into amino acids to be absorbed by the bloodstream, and casein is digested slower. Milk is good for bone health. Milk is widely believed to be good for the teeth and bones due to it being a good source of vitamin D. Milk can relieve stress and heartburn. It's also known to help reduce stress and relieve heartburn. Everyone knows to reach for a glass of milk if they ate something too spicy. The thick, cool beverage coats the esophagus and helps alleviate the burning sensations. Milk controversy. Some scientists suggest that milk taken from cows who have been given antibiotics can lead to antibiotic resistance to those who drink it, which would make antibiotic medicine less effective. However, this theory has never been proven. Aragon also touches on the fears surrounding drinking milk from cows who have been given hormones. When the use of growth hormone, RBGH, was approved, it caused controversy. The same hormone boosts the insulin-like growth factor in milk, which is a hormone that has been linked to cancer. He explains that the only way this hormone can become cancer-causing is if it's injected. So even though none of the chemicals will be transferred if you drink milk from hormone-treated cows, it's also important to keep in mind that hormones aren't good for the cows. Whether you're going to continue drinking milk or you've started to question its benefits, there are a ton of other foods rich in calcium that you can try. You can grab a kale salad, eat some oranges or soybeans. Or you can switch to an alternate milk beverage such as soy or rice milk. What do you think about these bedtime drinks? Do you drink milk on an everyday basis? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.